Phonics Sentences Practice for Kids. Short vowel U. Hug the pup on the big rug. Hug the pup on the big rug. The bug is in the tub with the mug. The bug is in the tub with the mug. Rub the sub and fill the cup. Rub the sub and fill the cup. Sit on the rug with a big mug. Sit on the rug with a big mug. The pup jumps up on the big log. The pup jumps up on the big log. Cut the rug and roll it up. Cut the rug and roll it up. Snug in the tub with a big hug. Snug in the tub with a big hug. Cup the mug and fill it up. Cup the mug and fill it up. Lift the sub and put it in the tub. Lift the sub and put it in the tub. The bug hops up on the big log. The bug hops up on the big log. Great job, kids! You're on your way to becoming fantastic readers. Keep practicing and exploring the world of phonics. See you in the next exciting lesson.